Another safety technique is teaching a child or introducing to a child how to roll from their front to back and back to their front. So once they have learned or been introduced to a back float, that's when you can do this. So she can do a back float with me assisted. And then I can sing a song. I'm a little pancake, small and flat. Flip me over just like that. It's natural that her head's going to want to come up. And then I will just say, hey, blow your bubbles. Put your face in, get your eyes in, and blow your bubbles. Good. We're going to do that again. Okay. So on your back, I'll sing the song again. I'm a little pancake, small and flat. Ready? Then I'm going to have you put your face in and blow your bubbles. Flip me over just like that. Good. I can hold her the whole time. If we're going to do it on her front, she will come to me and start in a front float. Ready? Same thing. Blow your bubbles. Okay, and then I would roll her to her back. I'm a little pancake, small and flat. Blow your bubbles. Flip me over just like that. Right? It doesn't have to be perfect, but just getting practice of rolling from front to back and back to front. And this will really set them up for success when they learn how to maybe jump in the water and roll to their back to swim to the side. So it's just practice at this point, assisted, and eventually we'll get to the point where they can do it independent.